everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday kawaii makeup. So let's get started. First, I take this Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eyeshadow Primer Potion and apply it on my upper and lower eyelids. I use the Anti-Aging Primer instead of Urban Decay's regular primer because I want to protect my skin as much as I can. Next, I take a flat brush to apply Makeup Forever's I-514 Pink Ivory eyeshadow all over my eyelid. After that, I take a fluffy brush to apply this pink eyeshadow from TYA's Fashion Makeup Kit in my outer crease. Then, I use this shimmery purple eyeshadow from e.l.f. in the middle of my crease and blend it in with the pink eyeshadow. Now, I'm using this shimmery blue eyeshadow from Sephora in my inner crease and blending it in with the purple. The next step is to apply eyeliner. I'm using this eyeliner pen from Smashbox and I'm winging it downwards for a more cute and innocent look. Then I'm connecting the wing to about the middle of my eye so I can make my eyes look bigger. But I have two more steps that I skipped to help me make my eyes look bigger. I'll come back to those in a second though, so don't worry. Here I'm putting on some mascara so that when I put on fake eyelashes, my natural eyelashes will blend better with them. Okay, now for the steps I missed. I'm using an angled brush to apply the same eyeshadow from Makeup Forever I used earlier underneath my eyes to make my tear bags pop. Now I'm taking this white waterproof pencil eyeliner from Lise Watier and applying it in the empty space between my eyeliner and my eye, as well as on my waterline. Next, I'm using this Duo Clear eyelash glue to put on some fake eyelashes on the black line I drew underneath my eyes. These are some normal eyelashes I cut to fit underneath my eyes. The next set of eyelashes I'm using are from QO, and they are longer on the outer edges, which will help my eyes look bigger. Now that I'm all done with my eyes, I'm going to move on to my lips and use a little bit of this MAC lipstick in the shade Please Me. Last, I'm taking this sparkly pink lip gloss from QO and putting it on my lips. Alright, I am all done my makeup now. This is my very basic, bare minimum kawaii makeup. So if I was just going to hang out with a friend and I wanted to do some makeup but just kind of simple, I could do this. But you may notice if I'm going to a convention or if I were going to the mall, I would put gems and sparkles and draw stuff on my face. But yeah, this is the basic eye makeup. I usually only put on blush too, right about around here if I'm going out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye!